Yes, everybody. Still somebody is left. So let's wait for 2 minutes for everyone to join. Good to see most of the students join on time. Asad Ahmed, Ayan Ahmed, please open your camera. Malahim, open your camera. I can't see your faces. Good. Who joined us? Hello, Zainab. Oh, sorry, Hassan. Yes. Abraham, good to your camera is now well done. The camera was very blurry last time, but it's good now. Hello Zainab, hello Malahim, hello Talbia, hello Ayan Ahmed, hello Ayan Ashraf, hello Rehan. Please fix your camera, Rehan. Your camera is moving too fast. Hello Amna. Amna, please open your camera. Hello Ishil. How are you? Thumbs up if you are good. Oh my god, Ayan Ashraf, your headphone is larger than your ear size. Okay, everyone. So today I'm gonna go with the notepad software. The last time I'm gonna explain it to you, the notepad software. Today is the last class of notepad software. So everyone pay full attention to in today's class. And hello Heba, please open your camera. Everyone open your camera. Okay, the next thing is that I'm gonna share a video with you, and then in the end of the video I'm gonna give you a quiz to solve it. So pay attention in my class. Okay, do not miss a single second of it. Hello Malai, what are you doing with the camera? Pencil on it. Okay, are you guys ready? Thumbs up if you guys are ready. Ready? Good, Zainab. That's the spirit. Good, Hassan. That's good. That's good. Good, good, good. I'm seeing so many thumbs up. Good to see it. Very nice, Hiba. Asad, show me your face. Amna, show me your face. Rehan, I can see you. Good. Okay, everyone. So the video will be played here right now. And then after the video, I'm going to share a quiz with you. So after the quiz, you will have to be prepared for the test. Online test, you already are doing that online test for other subjects, so I don't think so it will be issue with you. What you're gonna need to do is open it and write it down with the question they are asking you. Okay, first of all I'm gonna show you remaining parts of the notepad which I haven't teach you till now. Okay, so all of you can see the notepad window now. Thumbs up if you can see it. I want thumbs up from everyone who can see the video. Good. Thumbs up, Rehan. Not raise your hand. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you anyone have a question, you know there is a Zoom reaction, and in the Zoom reaction, you can see a raise your hand. Use that for raising hand, okay? Okay, good, good. 2 thumbs up. Well done, Hassan. Rehan, why are you raising your hand? Is there any question? Thumbs up. Good. Everyone can see now. Now you all know what is the. You have a question? Okay. Okay. Let me ask Rehan first. Rehan, first you need to do is the user reaction of a Zoom. Question answers will be available on the link. Link may I will send it to you and then fill that form. There will be question answer there. Okay. Not now. Not now. Okay? Sorry.
Chat में भेजे chat.
Not in chat. Okay, I will share it to you on the chat. You guys chat it together, so I won't be sharing it on the chat. I will be sharing in the group. So everyone, after this class, go on the group and then click on the link and fill out the questions. Okay. First of, pay attention over here. What did we study in our last class? Number one thing. Who's gonna tell me the first thing once you open a notepad? Hassan, answer me.
What miss?
Once you open a notepad, what are you gonna do? What did I teach you once you open a notepad? How to change this name. What is its name? What is the bar called? What is this bar called? This bar, Hassan. What is wrong with you? Think about it. The notepad is written on which bar? Come on. This is very sad. I'm very sad, Hassan. Yes, Abraham.
Teacher,
Yes.
on dialogue box.
No, 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 Abraham.
Taskbar, taskbar. Sorry, taskbar.
No, 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 Abraham.
Let me think.
Hurry up, Ishal.
On the start window. Start window.
No, it's wrong answer. Who else is this? Where are you, Ishal? Okay, here you are. Yes, Ishal. The notepad is written on which bar? What it's called? Ishal, unmute your mic, beta. Hurry up. Fast, fast, fast. What is this bar called where the notepad is written? First of all, three things you need to mention me. I teach you about notepad. Three things. Ishal, Yasir, I'm talking to you. Tell me what is the first thing is notepad written on it. What is the bar called? Ishal, can you hear me? Ishal, can you hear me? Ayan Ashraf. Yes, Ayan. Tell me, what is this bar called?
View bar.
Sorry?
View bar.
View bar. Are you serious? The notepad is written on view bar. Is this your answer? You guys are not working on notepad, seems like. What is wrong with you all? Huh? Why are you not working on a notepad? Today I'm going to take the last class of notepad. What you guys gonna do? This is so disappointed. Yes, Zainab, you know the answer. Please answer me.
Start button.
No, the notepad is written on which bar? Is it the start button, Zainab?
No.
I'm not asking you how to open a notepad. That's far gone, which we have studied in last previous classes. I'm asking you the written thing. What is this notepad? What is this bar called where the notepad is written? The first thing. You know, Zainab. Hello, Talbia. Amna. Anyone can answer me. Raise your hand. Raise your hand who know the answer. Raise your hand who know the answer. Anyone? Is there anyone who know the answer? Well, very disappointing. Very disappointing. This is called title bar. Title bar. Title bar. Where the notepad is written is called title bar. Everyone, repeat it with me. Title bar. I want to see the lip sync of yours. Everyone. Title bar. Title bar. Where the notepad is written is called title bar. Title bar. Ayan Ashraf. Rehan, I can't see your lip sync. Zainab, everyone repeat it with me. Title bar. Rehan, open your mouth and repeat it with me. Title bar. Hello Mahir, how are you? Title bar. Title bar. The first thing. Hello Faik, it's been so long. Where have you been? Okay, everyone, we have just started the class. I'm taking the last class of Notepad, and this is the review of the last class. So everyone, pay attention. The notepad and the untitled thing is written on a title bar where you write down your name once you save it. Number two, where file, edit, format, view, help is written. What it's called? What is this bar called? Yes, Ayan Ahmed. Ayan Ahmed, unmute your mic, beta. Ayan Ahmed. Ayan Ahmed. I'm waiting for your response. Ayan. Ayan Ahmed, unmute your mic. I can see your face, Ayan. Why did you hide the camera? Open it again. Yes. Ayan, answer me. What is this bar called? Unmute your mic. Come on. Why? Why so moody? Unmute your mic. Come on, I like your face. Why? What's up with your camera? On and off? Come on. Everyone is showing their faces. Come on, Ayan, you can do it. Malahim, Asad, open your camera as well. Good, Asad. Hello, handsome boys, everyone. Yes. Anyone who give me answer, what is this bar called? Where file, edit, format, view, and help is written. Anyone who can answer me? Yes, Abraham, you're the first one who raised the hand. Where are you? Okay. Yes, Abraham. Raise your hand if you have an answer, everyone.
Teacher, taskbar.
What is wrong with you? टास्क बार पे क्यों सुई अटक गई है भाई? कहाँ से आ गया ये टास्क बार?
Menu bar.
Yes, it is a menu bar. Everyone, wake up! Wake up! This is menu bar where file, edit, format, view, and help is written. It's called menu bar. किसी भी program को if you open it, you will see this menu available in every program. File, edit, format, view, and help. Wake up, everyone. Wake up. What is the second name of this menu bar? What is the second name of this menu bar? What is the second name of this menu bar? Who will give me the answer? What is the second name of menu bar? In the notepad introduction, I'll tell you the first thing is that the first thing you will get to edit in the notepad. How do you get to edit in notepad? With the help of which thing? I told you clearly. I remember I asked you 2 to 3 times. Yes. Rehan, sit properly, beta. Who's gonna answer me? Faik, why thumbs up? Do you know the answer of this? So Amna. Hello. Mahir. Heba, where are you? Yes. Who's gonna give me the answer? Nobody's raising their hand. Okay, wherever we are writing is, it's called which area? The area we work. The area we work. Only Abraham knows the answer. What is happening with you guys? Why nobody is working on the notepad? What is this area called where I am writing? Yes, anyone knows the answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Heba.
Yes, miss.
The thing I'm writing is hello. It's written over which area? What is the area called?
Notepad.
I know this is a notepad, but I'm asking you what this area called in the notepad. What is this area called? I told you 3 things on a notepad. You need to remember. One thing is title bar. Number 2 is menu bar. And number 3 is what? Hmm? Yes, Abraham. Anyone else have an answer? Hassan, are you absent-minded today? Zainab knows the answer. Okay, Zainab, that's good. Yes, Zainab.
Text bar.
Sorry, repeat it again.
Text bar.
Text bar. There's no bar in this texting. There's no such bar like this. in this notepad? Think it again. Think it again. Anyone else? Anyone else want to try and answer? I am very disappointed in today's class. Very disappointed. You guys are not working. It's very shameful that you guys are not even trying to answer me. Yes, Ishal. Ishal, you raise your hand, so answer me. What is this area called? I already give you the half answer. Why are you playing with your microphone, Ayan Ahmed? Ishal, whenever I ask you question, you just zoom out. Anyone else? Hassan, what is the reason you are not answering today?
Miss toolbar.
Sorry?
Toolbar.
टूल बार कौन सा बार होता है जिसमें टूल्स होते हैं? क्या यहाँ पे टूल्स हैं? कैन यू सी द टूल्स इन दिस एरिया? हाँ?
No, miss.
Then how can you say that it's a tool bar? Yes, think about it. Abraham knows the answer. Okay, Abraham, you answer me.
Teacher, it is called the. अभी अभी मैंने बताया था यार क्या था?
Think
It's
about it.
called the window area.
No. Wrong answer, Abraham. Do you want to take a chance again and answer me?
Drawing area.
Drawing area is where you draw. Can you draw in this area? Can you draw it? Did you practice drawing in this area?
No.
Then how can you say it's a drawing area? Talbia, did you practice it? Answer me. Did you guys practice in notepad? Those who practice, please thumbs up. Yes,
आपने अभी क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था?
You're not listening to me, Talbia. Why is that?
मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
You need to raise your hand to ask question. You can't sit and can't say कि मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आया. You have to raise your hand. If you don't understand, you can explain. You know that?
Okay,
But the question I'm asking is that I have written down hello. Hello. What is this area called where I've written down hello? Now, can you understand the question? Do you understand the question, Talbia?
No, miss.
In the first class, I've tell you 3 things about notepad. The first thing is that where the notepad is written, it's called title bar. What it's called?
Title bar.
Good. Now the second thing I told everyone is that the file, added, format, view and help is written on the bar which is called menu bar. What is it?
File.
Just tell me the bar name. What is the bar name is? Menu bar.
File bar. File bar.
Menu bar. Good. Good, Diana. I can hear you now. Menu bar. That's right. The other name, everyone listen to me very carefully. The other name of this bar is file extensions. Extensions. Because you can extend the file by editing, by formatting, by view, by help, by file. So they in this file, in this area, the area where you write it down, the area where I'm typing a text, it's called work area. What area is called? What area is called? Work area. Work. W-O-R-K. Work area. It's called work area. Work area. It's called work area. Now, the next thing, everyone, remember this thing because in the quiz, you all gonna fail if you don't remember these things. Spike, what is the meaning of clapping? What? Ask me the question if you have. Yes, fine. What is the three thing I told right now?
मिस आपकी आवाज मुझे ठीक से नहीं आ रही.
Everyone, can you hear my voice loud and clear? Please thumbs up if you can hear my voice loud and clear. Thumbs up. Show me the thumbs up if you hear my voice loud and clear. Okay. Talbia, can you hear my voice? Ayan Ahmed, Rehan, can you hear my voice? Everyone can hear my voice loud and clear. How come you are not hearing my voice? Fine, check your speaker. Plug in your speaker, plug in it again, plug out and plug it in again. Now you can hear me? Yes? Now answer me, what did I told you, Abhi? The three thing about
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
What is the three thing I told just now?
मुझे नहीं पता.
Spike? That's very not okay with me. You are not paying attention. Why is that, Faik? Pay attention in my class. I'm going to ask you again in the end. So pay attention. Yes, Hassan.
Miss title bar, menu
Yes.
bar and work area.
What is the second name of menu bar? What is the second name of menu bar? What is the second name of menu bar? Yes, Zainab.
File extension.
Bravo, Zainab. Good job. Finally, someone answer me. Good to see that. Zainab, good job. Everyone, अभी मैंने आप लोग को दोबारा बताया. Now you guys are just gone like that. You didn't hear me. Hassan, you are not feeling well. What is wrong with you? You are absent-minded today and you are not even answering me. Everyone, note it down in the paper. Number three thing. One, title bar. Write it down. Hurry up. Take out the paper and pencil. Write it down, the three things. Hurry up. Take out the paper and pencil. The knowledge which is not written on the paper will be shoo. Gone. So write it down in the paper. Ishal Yasir, I'm not seeing you writing it down. Everyone write it down. Number one, title bar. Number one is title bar. Number two, menu bar. And it is also called extension. Number three, work area where you write down. Now you see, I have selected the font and I'm going to open a box, dialog box. It's called dialog box, font dialog box. This is a font dialog box. Now I'm gonna change the style. You all know how to change the style, right? Everyone, the dialog box which I just opened, it's called font. And whatever the dialog box you open, it is written on the top, the title, it's mentioned. Whatever you open, it will always come up with the top title. What is this? I open a font, I click on the font, so the font dialog box appeared. That's why it is titled over here, font. Can you hear, can you see it clearly? Font. Have everyone has written down? Has everyone written down? Title bar, menu bar, or it's called extensions. Number three, work area. Now you have a question, I'm going to take it. Ishal Yasir, what is your question? Please ask away.
Miss ये कहाँ लिखना है?
In a paper, of course.
Okay, miss.
Next, Hiba Bilal, what is your question?
मिस आप कह रही थी ना क्विज कब होगा?
quiz. You guys are not even answering me on online. How can you solve the quiz right now? So first answer me, and then I will see your progress, and then I will let you answer it. The first thing I want you to know is that the quiz is not for me to marking you. It's for you to show me your skills, that you guys understand it or not. For you guys are not giving me answer online. How can I see that you guys will solve the quiz? That's why I'm very disappointed. It's been 1.5 months, so I'm gonna take the quiz right now, the first quiz, and you guys are blank in my class. What is wrong with you guys? In last class, you also give me answers. In today's, you guys are totally blank. Even Hassan is not even answering me. That is very, very disappointed. All of you done writing? Thumbs up if you're done writing. Thumbs up if you're done writing. Yes, then good. Ishal Yasir, good. Hiba Bilal, good. Rehan, thumbs up means thumbs up and fingers closed, not raise your hand. You have a question? Okay.
Miss लिखना
Rehan, your stupid question makes me laugh. You have to write this number 1, number 2, number 3, title bar, menu bar, extension, and work area. Are you seeing my screen?
Miss picture तो है title bar menu
Picture?
bar.
What do you mean by picture? I'm showing, I may have written down in the notepad. You have to copy it. Is this so difficult? Why you guys are sitting without a paper and pencil? Why you guys are sitting without paper and pencil? Yes, Ayan Ashraf, you have a question? Raise your hand from the Zoom reaction.
ये लिखना था तो आपने बताया क्यों नहीं?
आपने लिखना है ये आपको पता नहीं है? ICT class में you have to write it down something. You have to come
Okay.
with paper and pencil. Every time you come in a class, you have to bring paper and pencil with you. You can bring it now. I can wait for you to write it down. Okay, the thing is done. Everyone has written down. Shall I move on?
No.
Okay. Take a picture of it. If you are taking too much time, take a picture of it. Take out the camera and take a picture of it. I have a very limited time, so everyone, those who didn't write it down, take a picture of it so that I can move on. I want to show you one more thing right now. I have done the font dialog box in front of you. Remember the font dialog box. Now I'm going to ask you the 2 questions. Number 1 is file menu. File menu, which option is for you to save the file? Who's going to tell me? Save the file. Which is the save the file option? How to save a file? Can anyone tell me how to save a file? Use Zoom reaction to raise your hand. Yes, Malahim.
मैं तो ना तोड़ा पता नहीं कब से टूटा हुआ था.
Malahim, I can hear you now. Can
मैं
you
तो
tell
ना
me?
तोड़ा था. मैं ना यहाँ टूटा हुआ था मुझसे नहीं पूछो.
Okay, Malahim is talking to someone else. Yes, Ayan Ahmed.
बाबा ने मुझे डांटा ही नहीं. बाबा ने कहा आ बाबा यू लगा के बैठे हुए थे. बाबा से खराब हुआ.
Hold on, let me see who's talking.
We go to file and save as.
Save as. Why save as? Why save as? I'm going to the file. Okay. Next, what is the step?
We click on save.
Which option?
Save as.
Save as.
We click on save as.
Why I need to do the save as? I didn't save the file in the first time, so why should I save it as a save as? When the first time you are saving a file, you need to click on. Anyone else who will answer me? Yes, Zainab. How to save a file?
Teacher, open file and press save button.
Good. Now a dialog box appear. What is this dialog box called? See if I have clicked the save button and this option appears. What should I do now? What should I do now? Who's gonna tell me what should I do now? Anyone who tell me what should I do now? Malahim, where are you? Yes, Malahim.
डेस्कटॉप पे क्लिक करें.
Very nice, Malahim. Good job. Next.
ये लिखा फाइल नेम, अपना नाम लिखे.
Well done.
फाइल
Well
नेम
done. Good job. And then
फिर सेव कर दें.
good. Well done. Well done, Malahim. That's bravo. Very well done. Good job. I'm very proud of you, but Malahim, you give me the first answer in a very accurate way. Now you all know how to save a file and you saw it how to save a file. Ayan Ahmad, you never use save as once you are saving the file. So you need to save the file. I didn't save the file before. So my name is not over here. You can see the untitled bar. Now I have saved the file with my name. So you can see the title. Here's the title with my name on it. Amna Notepad. Okay, this is the title. Whenever you open any dialog box, it is written on the top what this dialog box is. It is a notepad. So dialog box is showing the name Notepad. Okay, Notepad. It's a dialog box with the title name. It's Notepad. Okay. Now I'm gonna change edit. In edit, you can see cut, copy, paste, delete. How to cut it, how to paste it. I selected the area. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. How should I cut it? Anyone tell me how should I cut it? How should I cut it? Cut and paste. Who will tell me how to do cutting and pasting in the notepad? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Ayan Ahmed. Yes, please, Ayan.
Miss, go
Yes.
to edit
Yes, good.
and click on copy.
First you need to cut it, then copy, na?
Yes, we click on cut.
Okay. And then where I have to paste, I have to click it over here, then
Click on paste.
now I have to click on
Control
paste.
plus V.
Control plus C. Good job. Everyone, you have to remember three shortcut key, which is cut, copy, paste. Control X is used for cut. You need to press Control CTRL. Plus means you have to press together. Control plus X. You already guys have known it in second year too, right? We have studied it how to press two buttons together. Shortcut key. Control X for cutting. Copy, Control C, CTRL plus C. Control C is a shortcut key for copy. And paste, CTRL plus V. Control V for pasting. Okay? Remember these three things. Cut, copy, paste. For cutting, you need to first select whatever you want to cut it. I want to cut it, so I'm selecting it. Then I'm going to Control Cut. And now I'm pasting it. I'm clicking it over here. I want area to over here. So I'm clicking it where I want to paste it. And I'm going to use the shortcut key, but I want to use C. Paste. Control V is the area here. You can, everybody can see the Control C, Control V, and Control X. Remember the procedure of how to cut, copy, and paste. Good job, Ayan Ahmed. Finally, you guys are awake and answering me. Good to see that everyone is awake now. Yes, Ishal Yasir, what is your question, please? Ishal, unmute your mic. They will be asking you to unmute the mic. Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you something next. I'm moving on next. Now, imagine it that I have opened a new window of a notepad. Okay, I'm going to open it again. Hold on. I have opened a new window. Now I want to open the previous, I have made the file of notepad which I've shown you. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the file menu. Everyone pay attention. Okay. I'm going to click on the file menu and I'm going to click on the open button. Open. Control O is the shortcut key and you can also press on file and open. And they're asking me what to open. Now this is the open window, everyone. This is called open dialog box. You can see the title over here written. What is this title? Open. Good. What is this title? Open. I have clicked on the open button, so the open window appear. It's called open dialog box. Open dialog box. Open dialog box. Open dialog box. Now I have saved the file in the desktop. So I'm going to click on the desktop. Okay, and then I'm gonna see it's the desktop file. Where is my file? Where is my file? Oh, here it is. Here my name is written, Amna. Okay, I'm gonna click my file and then I'm gonna click open file. There's written over here open. Open. See my file open. If you have already made a file with your name and you want to open it, now आपने अब notepad open कर लिया. Now you don't want to work on the new notepad, you want to open the previous file. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on the file menu, then you click on a open button. The open dialog box appear. Okay, open dialog box. Everyone knows this is called open dialog box. Whatever the dialog box is, you will see over here open and cancel. It is also hint over here.